Hi, in this video, I will show you how to write shell program or shell script. Okay. Concatenation of two string. Like hello world. Hello is one string, another string is world. So after programming, if the output is hello world. So there are two input, one is hello, another is world. So after result, this is hello world. For another example, uh, one input is good, another input is morning, so this is good morning, so result is good morning. Okay, so I just write a program, foo is a command. So foo equal to good and foo plus equal to morning echo dollar foo. So foo plus equal to is meaning foo just like previous foo meaning previous foo equal to good, so good plus morning, so echo foo, that is output is nothing but good morning. Okay, if for another example, if your input are like 2 and another input is 4, so after concatenation of two string, this output is 2 and 4, so 24. Okay, okay, so this is so simple program. This is just this is not user input, this is already defined in program. Okay, so this is good and morning, so good morning. Okay, so let's see another example of concatenation of two string, and that is also a user input, and this is easy. Okay, so let's see. Dumida, so echo first user input, so echo enter the first string and second. Okay, and after echo read statement given, so read s1 for string 1. Okay, echo just like a print statement, and read just like scanf in C. Okay, so second statement is echo enter second string. Okay, so enter the second string, read s2. Okay, so read s2, and last command is echo $s1 and $s2. This is dollar symbol, just concatenation of two string, this is given. Also this dollar symbol is for concatenation. Okay, so let's see. For first string is hi and second string is like hello. Okay, so let's see what is the output, hi and hello. Okay, hi and hello. Thank you for watching. Hope you will understand this video, and if you understand, so please subscribe my channel. Just remember one thing, the echo space then this double colon. Okay, if you did not make clone, so this is error, maybe create error, and this dollar symbol is just concatenation. Okay, and hope you understand. See you next video. So thank you.